Imagine you're a highly productive business professional, always on the move, juggling multiple projects, and expecting your laptop to keep up with your demanding workflow. You need a device that not only performs seamlessly, but also lasts you throughout the day, no matter where you are. Today, we're reviewing the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop, an innovative powerhouse designed specifically for those who value power, durability, and efficiency. The Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop directly addresses the long-standing pain points of the business community: outdated tech, lack of processing power, and limited storage. Traditional business laptops are often plagued by slow boot times, insufficient storage, and poor multitasking capabilities. This laptop is specifically engineered to break these barriers and provide an unparalleled user experience. When you unbox the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop, the first thing that stands out is its sleek, robust design. Crafted from premium materials, this laptop exudes a sense of sophistication, yet remains incredibly durable and resistant to wear and tear. The 15.6-inch FHD 1920 by 1080 display is crisp, vibrant, and offers wide viewing angles, making it perfect for both presentations and individual use. The keyboard is another area where Lenovo shines. The tactile feedback, responsive keys, and ergonomic design make typing a comfortable experience. The presence of a numeric keypad is also a welcome addition for anyone who needs to perform data entry efficiently. But what truly sets the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop apart is its impressive list of features. Let's dive in and explore some of its most compelling specifications. The AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, armed with 8 cores and 16 threads, delivers blistering performance, effortlessly handling demanding tasks like video editing, data analysis, and heavy gaming. The 2TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive not only offers an enormous storage capacity, but also boasts rapid data transfer speeds, ensuring you can get started quickly and maintain smooth performance even during intense use. You'll also appreciate the generous allocation of 40 GB high-bandwidth RAM, which enables seamless multitasking, swift app launching, and accelerated data transfer. Coupled with the AMD Radeon integrated graphics, you can look forward to smooth visuals, efficient power consumption, and reliable performance, all without the need for a separate graphics card. In real-world testing, I subjected the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop to a variety of tasks, from video editing and data analysis to web development and social media management. I opened an impressive 100 browser tabs, each with multiple resource-hungry applications running in the background. The laptop handled this strenuous workload with ease, barely registering any decrease in performance. During long periods of intense use, I noticed only a slight increase in temperature, but it was hardly noticeable. However, as with any device, there are trade-offs. The battery life, while impressive, could be better. You can expect around 8 hours of use, but this largely depends on your usage patterns and settings. Additionally, the device can get quite warm under heavy load, and the speakers, while serviceable, lack depth and bass. So, where does the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop stand in relation to its competitors? It's undeniably one of the best options out there, offering an unbeatable combination of performance, storage, and features. In direct comparison to other business laptops on the market, the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop surpasses them on multiple fronts. It boasts faster processing power, an unparalleled storage capacity, and an impressive battery life. If you're a business professional looking for a reliable work partner that can keep up with your most demanding tasks, look no further than the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop. With its powerful processor, vast storage, and generous RAM allocation, you can be confident in your device's ability to handle even the most resource-intensive workloads. I wholeheartedly recommend the Lenovo V-Series V15 business laptop to anyone seeking a robust business laptop that combines raw power, durability, and efficiency.